All right, we wrap the upper body all the way up to the top of the neck using the same techniques as below, making sure that we tape at critical junctures and using the shoulders and any other type of basic support we can. Now we're going to move on to the hands. And the hands, we really don't want to use just the streamers for the hands. Why is this? Fingers are things you're going to be using all night long. Lots of times the streamers are going to tear off of those or they're just going to fall off. They're not meant to really do a lot of fine finger work. You can, but I think a much better alternative is to have some gloves. And then after you have the gloves on, extend some of the wrapping onto the backs of your hands, so the back of your palms, but really going no further. That's the gloves will give enough of a wrapped effect for your hands to then now be considered a part of your costume. And you don't necessarily need to use the streamers to wrap all of your various digits. So you can just rely on the gloves, extend the wrapping a little bit onto the hands, and you're good. Your hands are taken care of.